size of that. I'm a rock crab. Whew. Just caught him on the edge of the rocks here. That's gonna be good bait for tonight, I'm telling you. Man, look at the size of this giant crab that's making this awful discoloration, oogies all over me. But man, good size for what I'm going to use it for, which is live bait. See, cinch up that touch. Oh man, never had one make that kind of colors all over me. It actually looks like diarrhea poo. Okay, save that because I'm gonna throw my cuttings away. Whew, he's a big one. Got my balloon rig ready. Going to put them out on a 5/0. That's the biggest a brown would be today. Shit, 6/0 would have been better. Like so. See that? Winds are coming out at strange direction, southeast today. So it's kind of going in. So as long as it goes away from the pier, it's good. I can see it already trying to go for the rocks. There. Now it's catching the wind away from the pier. Got a nice gust here. Let it take it out. Besides the wind, the current plays too, but I don't know what the currents do. I just got here. Hopefully the wind is strong enough where it's going to take over. Get this out. Almost everything loves crab, including me. Using my Cedros surf rig and my Surf 8K. Mine here is pretty heavy duty. I got 50-pound mono top shot to 65 braid backing. Okay, let it take the wind, take it out.